Up here with
Barrett.
Tiffany,
Ari the caffeine headache.
and Ari the Caffeine Headache. And what are we playing today? Mission Red Planet. All right, so my first game, but everybody here knows Citadels. So I think this is just like an evolution of Citadels with some area control. All right, so I just wrote these notes right here, and I didn't write these notes. I got them from that one site that has the best notes. Oh yeah, and some player reference cards too. So
Thank you.
all right, so we'll keep one. Y'all got one. All right. So pretty much just going with all the notes. Okay, so we're gonna assemble the 4 Mars board pieces. Did that, and then assemble the launch pad out of a number of dock pieces equal to the number of players, and then attach the end cap docks to the end. So 4 players. I've never done this, but
Okay, so something I'm noticing that's a little different from Citadel's already. Instead of drafting our character picks by passing them around, I think we all just kind of have a hand of characters.
yeah, but it's kind of like that other one game too. Like if y'all ever played that other one.
Which one?
Man, I forget the name of it, but Stone Meyer recently did it too, though. Huh? Oh yeah. All right, so we're down to 3 now, but all right, but assemble the launch pad. I guess I'll be the fact checker. All right,
Okay.
all right. So the launch pad. I got to see how to make the launch pad. Okay, the launch pad is these weird ones. Contains 3 to 6 dock pieces. So we got 3 players. So. 3, and then the end cap somewhere. Oh, okay, so I guess it's just on the ground, so 2. And then this is the end, okay. All right, I thought it was more of a 3D thing, but I guess not.
Okay.
All right. All right, so assemble the launch pad out of a number of dock pieces equal to the number of players. Attach the end docks to the end. Place the destination tokens within the reach of all players. Okay, destination tokens. I don't know. All right. Place the destination tokens. Sort the point tokens into piles by type. All right. So if you don't mind sorting these into piles by type, and I'm sure they go face down.
Here's our characters.
It's not really an up or down to these. They're the same on both sides.
Okay, yeah. So no face down. All right. So there's 3 types. There's ice, pink Silvanite, and gold Solarium. Yep. All right. So place the destination tokens. Shuffle the ship cards, and place the deck near the launch pad.
Ship cards?
All right.
Okay.
Shuffle the ship cards, and then place them by the launch pad. Yeah, gotta be. All right, shuffle the ship cards and place the deck near the launch pad. Draw a number of cards equal to the number of players and place 1 ship face up at each dock of the launch pad. All right, so 1, 2, 3. All right, shuffle the ship cards and place the dock near the launch pad. Draw a number of cards equal to the number of players and place 1 ship face up at each dock of the launch pad. I'm thinking a dock might be like more like that. All right, and then anybody like green?
I like red.
Blue.
All right, I'm going
Well, they
green.
got orange or pink. So
Orange.
Orange. Back to the bags. All right. If a drawn ship has an unknown destination, I guess this one I take it. If the drawn ship has an unknown destination, replace it with the new card and shuffle the unknown destination ship back into the ship deck. If a Phobos-bound ship is not drawn, place a Phobos destination token on the ship at the rightmost dock.
Okay.
Alright, where is Phobos at? Okay, Phobos. Alright, so what it say? If a Phobos-bound ship is not drawn, place a Phobos destination token on the ship at the rightmost. Anybody see the Phobos? Okay, Phobos-bound.
I would say that's
If a Phobos-bound ship is not drawn, place a Phobos destination token on the ship at the rightmost dock. Alright, each player chooses a color and takes the 9 character cards of that color as their starting hand of cards and all the plastic astronauts of that color. Take 1 astronaut from each player and randomly place 1 on each ship at the launch pad.
So I get the blue and
yeah.
my
Which one's
understanding.
mine?
And then he gets the green.
Oh, well, I think we do, I think we get 1. I think we random it. God dang it. All right, right here. 35. I think that's how we do it.
These are character cards for right there.
Okay. Ah. All right, cool. All right, so we'll read it again. Take 1 astronaut from each player and randomly place 1 on each ship at the launch pad. The player whose astronaut is on the leftmost dock is the first player. First player. All right. And takes the round tracker, setting it to 1.
Round 1.
All right, so you got the responsibility of the round tracker. Then when it's my turn, I have responsibility of it. You. All right. Okay. Okay. Randomly place 1 resource token face down in each zone of Mars and on Phobos. Phobos is like a Mars, but it's not adjacent to anything though. It's a moon.
I have to wait a few more months until I can finally start making the trip.
Place the remaining resource tokens face down near the token supply.
Alright. Are those resource tokens?
Resource tokens. All right. So somebody can handle that, please.
We want them all face down, right?
Yeah.
Oh, 1 in each area.
Yep. And 1 on Phobos. Okay, shuffle the mission cards and deal 2 to each player. Mission cards.
Cards, I got them.
And that is the mission cards, right?
Yes.
All right.
I got them.
All right, shuffle the mission cards and deal 2 to each player. Each player chooses 1 card to keep face down in their play area and places the unchosen card face down on top of the undealt mission cards. Chosen mission cards remain hidden from other players until the end of the game.
Alright, pick your mission.
Alright.
It's easy to do yourself if you have time.
One of these says it's a discovery, not a mission. Is that okay?
Let's see.
Mine says mission. One says discovery, one says backup.
Okay, yeah, there's different kind of cards. I'm sure. So there's 13 missions, 13 discovery, 4 actions.
My bad.
Make sure they all have the same back.
Are the backs all the same?
It looks like it. There's 30 event cards.
Okay, so they all.
That's silly. Okay, well, how do we find all the missions?
Alright, looking for missions. That's a mission, that's a mission.
Okay, yeah. So the missions have the red little circle on the inside,
Okay.
and then discoveries have the nuclear looking deal, and then there's 4 actions with the 3 dots in there. Yeah,
But they're all the same on the back, so
yeah, it's kind of weird. Well, I guess you don't want to know if they're face down or whatever.
I'm sure there's a reason for that. They must all get shuffled together at some point. Okay, we have now
13.
separated.
All right, 13 missions, so we'll give 2 to each player.
Yep.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Alright, kind of shuffle them up a bit. Just cause.
Yeah.
Alright. 2 for you.
Thank you.
2 for me. Alright, and let's see.
There's also apparently a global mission. If you happen to end up with the most ice point tokens, you get an extra 9 points at the end.
Okay, most ice points.
Yeah. You want
Okay,
those ice
so
points.
these are the ice points right here.
Okay,
So like you got the most ice points at the end, you get 9.
9 points.
Okay.
Kind of like a longest road sort of thing.
All right. Cool. All right, so we'll face down that one that we're keeping. And the unchosen card face down on top of the undealt mission cards. Chosen mission cards will remain hidden from other players to the end of the game. Shuffle the discovery cards, the action cards, and all the remaining mission cards together to create the event deck and place it face down near the token supply.
There it is.
There we go.
We knew they would get shuffled.
There we go. Okay, so sequence of play. There are 10 rounds during the game. The round is indicated by a number on the round tracker. So 10 on the clock. Choose a character. Each player simultaneously chooses one character card from their hand and places it face down in front of themselves. When all players have chosen their card, continue to the next step. Okay, resolve character effects. Players reveal and resolve their character's effects, and declared ships can become full and launch. Each character card has a number which determines when the card is revealed. The first player begins reciting the countdown to blast off. So,
Starting at 10, going down to 1.
starting at 9.
Starting at 9.
So each player whose face down card matches the announced character number flips it face up and resolves the effect. If 2 or more players reveal the same character, they resolve their effects in clockwise order, starting with the first player. After all players who revealed the announced character have resolved its effects, or if no player chose the announced character, the first player continues the countdown by announcing the next character in descending order, and so on until all players have revealed their chosen character cards. Character effects must be resolved from the top to the bottom, in the order written on the card. Played character cards remain face up in front of the owner and is visible for all to see. Once a character is used, it can't be used again until the player plays the recruiter card to return all of their played cards to their hand. A docked ship is full when the number of astronauts on it is equal to the capacity number.
This number here?
It looks like it. All right, so 3 astronauts, it ships off. A dock is shipped when the capacity number. When the ship is full, it launches. The first player slides the ship card away from the launch pad to indicate that the ship is launched. Ships launch only if they become full or due to a game effect, such as the secret agent. Ships that are not full stay docked at the launch pad. Okay, now the next phase, 3, land launch ships. Each launch ship lands on Mars, unloading all astronauts aboard the ship in the indicated zone. If there's a destination token covering the destination printed on the ship card. Okay, so Phobos has to go right, I guess. Destination token covering the destination printed on the ship card. The ship instead lands on the zone indicated on the token. When an astronaut is placed in a zone with the face-down resource token, the resource token is flipped face-up, revealing which resource is present on that zone. After landing a ship, place it face-up next to the ship deck in the ship discard pile. If it has a destination token, return the token to the supply. 4. Draw new dock ships. New ships are docked at the launch pad. For each open dock at the launch pad, the first player draws 1 ship card and places it face up at an open dock. If the ship dock is depleted, shuffle the discard and place it face down to create a new deck. 5. Assign new first player. The player who resolves his character effect last during the round takes the round tracker and is the new first player. Okay, 6. Advanced round tracker. The first player slides the gauge clockwise until the deal goes to the next notch. The icon visible in the window indicates which round or phase occurs next. Okay, then production phase. There are 3 production phases on the round tracker. During a production phase, each zone with the face-up resource token produces point tokens of its resource type equal to the number of dots on the icon. Okay. Yeah. So it gets more resources as the game goes on. Okay, then players receive point tokens based on majority in each zone. If only one player has the most astronauts, they receive all point tokens from that zone. If 2 or more players tie for the most astronauts in the zone, the tied players equally distribute the point tokens from that zone. So first and second place. Any remaining point tokens stay in the zone and can possibly be won at a later time. If there are no astronauts in the zone, the points tokens stay in that zone. At the end of each production phase, the first player advances the round tracker to the next notch. Okay, reveal discovery phase. The first player flips all discovery cards in play face up. Each effect resolves during the phase indicated by the icon in the lower right corner of the card. Okay, reveal discovery phase. That's the nuclear. 3rd production phase, 3 dots. Final scoring is the planet looking. Okay, at the end of the reveal discovery phase, the first player advances the round tracker to the next notch. Final scoring phase, players reveal their mission cards and determine if they were completed. The player with the most ice point tokens gains. So that one. Add points from your completed missions. Add total value of your collected point tokens. Add or subtract points from discoveries that affect you. Players can play their final scores, and the player with the highest wins the game. And there's event card crap. There's destination token crap. There's Phobos behaves like any other Mars zone, except it's not adjacent. And discovery cards can't be assigned to it. Lost in Space Memorial is not a zone. I think that's this one.
Okay.
And
does it have a resource on it? Like I see a question mark next to it. Is that supposed to be on it?
Yeah, I wasn't sure, so I didn't put it on it.
This is the extra one. It goes somewhere. I read that earlier.
Okay. But it's not there. That's
Randomly place 1 resource token in each zone. Place the remaining resource token face down near the token supply.
Okay.
All right, so I think we're ready to go.
Yep, I have my character picked out for the first round.
Nice. All right. So anybody want to be my fact checker, or I could just be the fact checker? All right, cool.
So if everybody could please pick a character for this first round.
All right.
You had it up there the whole time. You probably lost your sense of smell.
You got it?
Not quite yet. Not quite yet.
To read what the names are.
Yeah. All right.
Alright, so countdown begins. 9,
Nope.
8,
Nope.
7.
Yeah, the water. All right, yeah.
I'll look through it if I need to.
All good. All right,
6.
nope.
Pick 6.
6. All right, what's that?
Age, man.
Alright, it says place a total of 2 astronauts and 2 different dock ships and force one ship that is not yet launched or not yet full to launch. So I'm gonna take one of those ships and
Thank you,
the blue guy over there. And then this one launches. So how does launch work again?
It won't launch yet.
Like when it's full, then it'll launch. Oh, but
And force one ship that is not yet full to launch.
Oh,
okay.
Never mind. In that
I'm
case,
I'm choosing to launch this one.
Okay.
okay, so this card will disappear. The astronauts on it will go to Maritanum, wherever that is.
Alright, there we go.
All right, and then you flip that, and then I think you get it. I think.
Not until there.
Oh, let's see. Okay, land launch ships. Each launch ship lands on Mars, including all Astros aboard the ship in the indicated zone. If there's a destination token covering the destination printed on the ship card, the ship instead lands on the zone indicated on the token. When an astronaut is placed in a zone with the face-down resource token, the resource token is flipped face-up, revealing which resource is present in that zone. After landing a ship, place it face-up next to the ship deck in the ship discard pile. If it has a destination token, return the token to the supply. Okay, yeah, so let's just discard, and then we put a new deal out there, yeah.
New ship, but nobody's in it.
Cool.
Alright,
All right.
alright.
Continue the countdown.
5.
That's not them. Different person. All right, so 5. Nope.
4.
Nope.
I'm not four.
3.
I'm 3. I'm the travel agent.
Travel agent.
So, since I have room for 3 astronauts, I was the only one among us that had room for the 3. That's why I picked the travel agent.
Well, we could have been on your ship too. I presume we can mix and match on the ships.
Oh, I didn't even think of that. Okay, well, I put all 3 there, so it'll launch
So you go
to Phobos.
goes up there
And apparently there is ice in Phobos.
okay, that somehow feels right.
Yeah. There we go. Continue the countdown.
2.
All right, 2. Nope.
Character 1.
All right, 1.
Pilot.
I got the pilot. So place a total of 2 astronauts in 1 or 2 dock ships and place a destination token on 1 ship, either docked or launched. I don't know.
When you came up to me, you're like, I don't remember her name.
What you gonna be?
I don't know. So I'll go.
It's a total of 2. 1 or 2 ships.
No, say it. Like,
You can, so you use Pilot to like change the destination of where that ship's going.
Yep.
Yeah, so pilot place a total of 2 astronauts in one or 2 dock ships and place a destination token on one ship, either docked or launched. Yep.
That's
And
so
this
cool.
one has 3, so it can launch, right?
Yep, so this one launches.
It will launch.
All right, so we're going to Stratus Major.
Alright.
All right, then we discard this guy. That flips. Okay.
So this is one that you could put a random thing on, or we get that?
All right, draw new dock ships. New ships are docked at the launch pad. For each open dock at the launch pad, the first player draws 1 ship card and places it face up at an open dock. If the ship is depleted, shuffle. If the ship deck is depleted, discard pile and new deck. I don't know. I'm sure there's a player power that lets you put one on it. Just like
The Pilot does.
pilot, probably,
So I
yeah.
guess for now,
What
it
happens
has,
if it gets to 3 and it doesn't have a destination?
Yeah.
you know, if you start flying with no destination,
Yep, that sounds about right.
Alrighty then. Well, let's see. You were the last person to get a dude. So does this go to you?
yep,
All right, so sounds like next round, huh?
yep.
All right, round 2. Fights.
Okay, I'm gonna pick out a character.
Alright, pick up. Oh no, this stays. You can't
Keep them
pick
down until you play number 9.
Yeah, the only way to get that back is play number 9, as far as I can tell.
Yeah, and we get the resources when we go to 8, 10, or whatever, right? Or
Yeah, so that's when we want to own it.
okay.
I'm a little confused about contested areas, but
Okay, so I think this is the first production phase on the 5, second production phase, third production phase, and then reveal discovery phase, whatever that means. The first player flips all discovery cards. Please. Thank you.
yeah, we're not there. We'll get there. Just know that at the end of round 5, you want to own as much as you can, so you can get as many resources as you can.
Yeah.
I don't know what we do with the resources. I haven't gotten that far.
The first player flips all discovery cards and play face up. So I guess at some point discovery cards will come into play, but
Not till the end.
it's probably dealing with one of these numbers, I'm sure. So.
But I picked out my character.
I pick mine.
I have not. All right.
Count us down.
Oh, countdown. All right, so let's start with number 9.
What my number was, don't we?
Yeah, me too. All right, so number 8. 7.
That's me.
Right, scientist.
I'm a scientist. We're all scientists at some point.
Scientistic.
The scientist. I can place 2 astronauts in 1 or 2 ships, and either draw an event card or look at a discovery card out there.
Okay, yeah, so maybe we missed something about the discovery cards in play. Thank you kindly.
I think that's if somebody else uses scientists or something and gets one out there, but I'm not sure. In any case, we're launching that.
Okay.
Putting somebody there. Does this get launched now or after we're done with
I think it's
characters?
now.
Yeah, I think it launches now.
So 2 Valis, Uranus, which means this gets split. And I draw this event card. It is mine now. That's it.
Oh, so these are discovery cards, you think, or?
There are. That is one of the 3 categories of cards that I
Okay.
could have drawn.
Okay.
I have drawn either another mission to try and get more
Yeah, yeah.
points, discovery card that I don't understand what it does quite yet.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Or I've drawn an action card, which
I think it's a vent, maybe, or I don't know.
I
They just
suppose
probably do
was
instant stuff.
I suppose an action card. Yeah, exactly. Instant
yeah.
stuff.
Yeah,
Something
yeah.
kind of. Yeah.
All right.
He was
So,
7, so we're counting down from 7.
all right. So 6, 5, 4, 4.
All right.
Femme Fatale.
There's one astronaut in a docked ship, which I figure I go with him. And in one zone or ship where you have at least one astronaut, right there, and then it says replace one opponent's astronaut with one of your astronauts.
Oh.
So, make sure I understand, am I putting a second one there? I'm putting one, and then I'm replacing another one?
You gotta go top to bottom. You gotta go top to bottom.
Or is the one that I'm putting there replacing?
It's replacing, so you're literally removing a color that's different than yours and putting a color of your own in place.
Are you serious?
Okay.
Are you serious?
Gotta make sure I get
Yeah.
enough of mine
It's
then.
both. It's both, honey.
Oh,
Yes.
okay, so mine does, that's what I was asking. Okay. All right, and then this is gonna launch. We're gonna go to Citrus Major.
Right there.
Oh, that's already there.
I mean,
We've already discovered that one, but I got more men there now.
I get it. She seduces an astronaut on the other side, and then they have a baby.
Crazy.
Patel.
Hey. All right. 3. All right, travel agent. Place 3 astronauts in the same docked ship. If there is not at least one docked ship with room for 3 or more astronauts, ignore this effect.
Bad news, friend.
Well, he could put it on the floor and just hope that by the time it launches, something will come up.
True. But if somebody wanted to be rude, they could just put their 4th astronaut there and send everybody out into deep space.
This is true.
I don't think I want my lone astronaut to go into deep space just out of spite, but
Oh, yeah.
you could.
Waste your turn. Waste your turn, why don't you? All right.
Okay, you were last again, so you continue being the starting player.
Okay. All right.
Bring us on to 3.
Going to 3.
And I know we're not collecting now, but say we were to collect now. I would get that. Tiff would get that. Tiff, she's got the majority, correct?
Mm-hmm.
And then I don't know what would happen on the tie, but we're not there yet. I was
The
just
tie is you split evenly.
okay.
Yeah.
Just observing. Okay, picking out our characters. Number 3.
Which year in history do you find the most
This is becoming more interesting as I'm understanding it. Because turn order really matters a lot.
Oh, yeah.
It's like the smaller numbers tend to be the better cards, because you hope that you're not completely screwed by the time it gets to that number.
Very similar to Citadels, yeah. Alright, I picked my character. Took me a while. previous rounds here.
All right, so we're starting with number 9.
That ain't me.
All right, going number 8. 7. That'll be me, scientist. Place a total of 2 astronauts in 1 or 2 dock ships. Now we'll just go on the Phobos. And either draw 1 event card or look at 1 discovery card in play. Now my question is, are these discovery cards?
No.
Yeah.
Discovery cards in play. So
Yeah. All right, so drawing an event card. All right.
Did your dude ship out?
My dude ship out to Phobos.
Welcome to Phobos.
Nice to be here.
It's our resources. You
Ours.
can stay as long as you give them to me.
Okay, I think we'll split them, sir. We'll see. All right. Now we're going 6. Number 6.
That ain't me.
We're going 5. Going 4. 3. 2.
Nope.
1.
I guess you resolve first.
Clockwise from first player.
Okay. Okay, I'm gonna place both these here, and I am going to pick this because I want to get in on all this action. We're having a little war over here. I want in on that.
Okay, you want in on the war? You're already in on the war.
Well, a little bit.
All right.
He wants more.
Yeah, I want some reinforcements.
All right.
But I suppose Tip, you can technically, like, it says place a token. You can put a token on top of that, right? Because your pilot went after mine, so I don't know.
Now, here's the question.
All right.
If I place like a person here and a person here, would this launch before I give it a thing, or does the launch actually happen like at the end of the round? Like does it launch immediately or at the end of the turn?
Yeah, so you go to top to bottom on the card. You must do everything on the card.
But the card never actually says like launch. So when does launch actually happen?
After the full resolution of the character.
Okay. So I will get to pick a
You
destination
will get to
before
put
it
the
launches.
destination before it launches, because it
Okay.
goes that, then that.
Okay.
Okay, that's what I was curious about. Actually, I'm going to change that one. Place that one here. And that one there.
Oh.
Then these guys are going to launch off over here, and I still have the majority. And then
Okay.
these guys are going to just launch
Just
off.
launched into deep space.
I see how we're playing. I see how we're playing. I see you.
It's a little spiteful astronaut there.
I see you.
Well, there's nowhere to send you where you wouldn't cause them problems.
He was
I
outside
see
the
you.
ship. He said, where are we going? They said, nowhere. He was like, all right, I'm in.
I'm gonna remember that. I'll remember that. All right. So that's everybody. So last person gets the first player deal.
It's technically me, even though we both picked one.
Yes?
All right, going to round
4. What we got? We got Hella Hellas out there. And a Bales Marine.
Hella hella.
Yep, I have mine picked up.
All right.
Number 9.
Nope.
8.
Nope.
7.
Nope.
6.
Nope.
5.
Nope.
4.
Nope.
3.
Nope.
I think has not been opened yet. Go ahead and try. Yeah, we'll go see what this says. Alright, yep, and he just launched. Let's see what's here. There we go, there's the good shit.
That's the good stuff.
Alright.
2.
I'm 2, which means and you've already played your pilot, so you must be 2.
And I'm clockwise, yep.
So he goes. So his soldier resolves first.
Place one astronaut in a docked ship and kill one astronaut on Phobos
Or the outer zones of Mars.
or an outer zone of Mars.
Now, is that any territory that's Mars?
No, he can only kill. He gets to kill some. He has to kill somebody right in one of those 2 spots.
All right, let's go to. Do killed guys go back to the supply, or we'll look that up in a second?
I'm sure they do.
All right. It move up to 3 of your astronauts from Phobos to any zones on Mars. You move up to 3 of your astronauts from Phobos to any zones on Mars.
Well, good time to claim something.
So is that 3 ice or just 1 ice? Or? I think there's just 1 ice. Yeah.
So we're going to do a round of unmatched. So you guys want to play it? So unmatched asks the question.
And ice is the least, the pink is the second, and that's the third.
Now you get the information that I'm about to kill somebody on either Phobos or the outer zones.
Yeah,
Nice.
that's why he's getting his man up out of there.
Yeah.
Nice. All right, so let's go to.
That'd be worth. You can either break a tie in Valis or just search somewhere new and hope that it has good stuff.
This is true. Let's go. Let's get strong right here.
Break the tie in Valis. All right.
All right, my turn to resolve.
Well, we got that next, so screw it. We'll go over here.
Oh, the big old war zone.
The big war zone.
So I'm still in it.
That's cool. We got one more round, I think.
before collection time, yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so I place an astronaut in a dock ship.
Alright.
Then I have to kill somebody either on Phobos or the outer zones. I'll kill. You weren't even supposed to be there.
Fine.
I will, and then I can move up to 3 of my soldiers from Phobos to anywhere on Mars. I'm gonna leave one there. 2 of them can go anywhere on Mars.
Well, you can do a tiebreaker or
Let's take the majority there.
Alright. I see you. Alright. And so is that round. Arian's gonna be the last to resolve, so.
Oh wow! Yeah, I get to be the person. Okay, everybody, pick your players.
Well, I forgot too.
Hey, y'all ever played Dune Imperium?
Never heard of it. No.
Okay. Might want to play that. Y'all fans of Dune?
No, but it's weird that I'm not because I like sci-fi stuff.
Yeah, it is pretty weird. Y'all didn't watch the movie or didn't like it?
Just, I suppose, never got around to watching or reading it.
Okay, crazy. Check out Quinn's Ideas on YouTube. He's great for Dune.
You think lowly of us. You think lowly of us. I just like, you know, I don't have like a house to like over here. I'm married. I'm like squarely.
Alright.
All right.
9, 8, 7, 6.
Be me.
Secret agent.
All right, I screwed myself again. Place a total of 2 astronauts in 2 different dock ships.
They have to be different. Okay.
But then you force one of them to launch. So one could already launch, and then you could force one of the other 2 to launch.
Oh yeah.
True.
Hey, you know what?
Might
Yeah.
as well go see
I mean, you
what's
claim the
there.
majority
Yeah.
once you went there.
All right. So place a total of 2 astronauts in 2 different dock ships and force 1 ship that is not yet full to launch.
You can launch that one.
Yeah, we'll go sign
Go
it.
see what's up.
We'll just see what's up. All right, so we got the ice again.
Well, at least now we know where an ice is around here.
And then this one also launches to Marineris. Marineris. And we get a new ship deal. Ausonia. That's a new one. All right.
Okay. We were on 6, so down to 5.
5, yeah. All right, Saboteur.
I don't feel like blowing up any of the ships. Y'all done bounced.
Mm.
1 astronaut and a dock ship, and destroy 1 dock ship.
Well,
To just get rid of something and see what comes up.
yeah, you can just be like, I guess you have to actually.
Yep, and you must do the whole card, everything.
I mean, it's not a bad thing, I guess. You're just kind of getting rid of an empty ship.
That way, y'all can stay out of my spot.
Makes sense.
That's kind of cool.
And of course, it just puts another
Ah,
figures.
Alright.
yep, I mean, plus it launches sooner this time.
And I am the Femme Fatale.
Femme Fatale.
I will join you when you go to Ausonia. And then I will seduce that dude.
Ah.
Sorry. It's just I already got a majority here.
Oh, yeah.
This is fucked. I'll never get a majority there.
Oh, yeah.
All right, I believe we're moving to the first collection phase. Whatever that means, really. I know I've got a majority in a lot of spaces though, so I'm happy that.
Yeah. All right. So, is there an order in which you do this? Destination tokens. All right. So we'll just start from here, I guess. So there's nothing there. Okay. So Hellas. We'll start from the top. Hellas. So Hellas, blue.
Get one token of the title.
Yes. Is it? Are they all ice? Is this just different amounts of ice?
No. So that's ice, and then I think the ice are just 1 point.
Oh, okay.
Okay,
So we did
The
Hellas.
resources are worth different points. Got
So now we'll do this one.
it. Yeah.
so
major.
I got 4 blues.
Okay. So I got 3 green, so I'll get second place.
Does it only produce for the majority, or does it?
Yeah. Let's read this thing again. Production phase. Okay, there are 3 production phases on the round tracker. During your production phase, each zone with a face-up resource token produces point tokens of its resource type equal to the number of dots on the icon. So that's only 1. Okay, so 1. Then players receive point tokens based on the majority in each zone. If only one player has the most astronauts, they receive the point tokens for that zone. If 2 or more players tie for the most astronauts, the tied players evenly distribute the point tokens from that zone. So only 1 dot, so you get everything. Okay, so now we'll go to this zone.
Looks like 3 oranges to 2 green.
All right, so I get screwed again, yet again.
Appreciate you.
All right, so now we'll do this one. So
I think the oranges
4 to
got
4. So that's a tie.
No, wait, I think I only got 3.
No, 4 to. Oh,
Yeah, 1, 2, 3.
okay, so 4.
So you got
All right, so majority gets 1,
Appreciate you.
and then we got.
You get the ice.
Okay, glad I went over there. Stupid ice. All right.
And Bear gets the 1 ice token for
Phobos.
Yep. Boom.
All right, I'm coming for y'all on that second resource production phase. All right, so that's production phase. Now we go to numbers round 6, I guess.
I'm still the starting player, I suppose, because I went last, right?
Yep, sounds
Okay.
great.
All right, pick a character. Could y'all please show me what y'all have played? Thank you.
All right, yeah.
With the question on the Explorer one, are you like moving your dudes into a different zone?
Yeah, I was wondering that as well. What defines a move?
All right.
For instance, all I really need to know is this.
Okay, Explorer, to make a move, move one of your astronauts from its current zone to an adjacent zone. The same astronaut can be moved multiple times. When you move an astronaut to a zone with a face-down resource token, flip that token face up. So one adjacent move is a move.
Okay.
Okay, so to be clear, this is not. Look, is this 1 move or 2 moves?
2 because you use 2 on it.
Okay,
To make a move, move one of your astronauts. Yep.
got it. Okay, cool. Cantonese.
But like 2 moves can either be like 1, 2, or you can do like 1, 2.
Yep.
Right.
Alright. That's one figured out.
Alright, I made my selection. This is the Citadel's S part. To
Yeah.
figure out what other people are going to do. Alright, we got our characters?
Not yet, not yet. All right.
Okay, 9, 8, 7.
7. Scientist.
So you have space.
Alright, place a total of 2 astronauts in 1 or 2 dock ships, then either draw an event card or look at the discovery card.
There are no discovery
We're gonna do
cards.
like that, so that we can launch
All
to.
make up one zone. And this one,
Everybody goes to Ascension now.
Yay!
Nice. And then I get to pull one of these cards. Alright.
consecutive days, right? You have to take, no matter what, within 6 hours.
If it's a mission, that's another way to get points. If it's a discovery or action, we'll talk about that when we get to right here.
Okay.
Alright.
Where were we? 7, 6. I'm extra 6.
Secret Agent Man.
I have to place 2 astronauts on different dock ships. And I'm gonna force one of them to launch all on his own side.
Citrus has a lot of people. Citrus has 9, and Tyrannus is empty.
We're gonna have one guy go here, and the secret agent is gonna go here. And he's gonna launch all on his lonesome.
Excuse me.
And there's my turn. We're down to 5.
It'll be me. Alright, so Saboteur place 1 astronaut in a dock ship and destroy 1 dock ship.
So blew it up.
Oh, I'm sure he's gonna blow up
The one orange guy.
the
Pretty
one-
much.
the secret agent's best friend who's sitting there waiting.
Pretty much.
I start off with 17. So that's 14.
Alright. Blue.
You have like 2 cycles, right?
And we'll take this up and get to you.
Going to 7. Alright. So
I like this game. I'm getting down there. I like it.
oh yeah, I like it, yeah. There's a pirate themed game like this, you know what I'm talking about?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I could see that working too.
Yeah.
And I'll say different things. So I say I play Hellrise with me, Ghost Rider, and I pick 1 basic fighter.
Alright, I have my character choice.
I gain Hellfire, which is like a special force rider thing, and then I get another item. So basically, you see this guy over here, I can see this random, all lasting on this side, that rider behind me, and then get the spike. That's cool. So, you can play a speed card on your action. The last thing you do is you can play an attack. Attack cards are going to either look like this. So attack cards are going to be red. They can also be purple, which is the attack and it's if I decide to attack somebody,
Alright, so starting off with 9.
I'm going to put my
No 9s. Let's go to 8.
I'm 8.
I am also
We should have 2, yeah.
Okay.
Alright, clockwise.
How dare you?
what you gonna do?
It doesn't really matter because anything I do, you just kind of negate.
You could just go explore for me and tell me what's good out there.
Alright. 3 moves.
You got it.
special things that they do. So, as an example, even if your character
I believe in you.
but you have a bunch of those that interact in the back of the card and explains inside. Your character doesn't get a lot of fancy interactions.
Alright. I have picked my 3 moves. It will be 1, 2, 3.
Alright.
Nice.
Kind of a risky strategy, but
But the good news is you can kind of direct them and command them to do.
Alright, then I shall place an astronaut. Let's see. Where's that one going, man?
Your character probably has a little special rule here. So the Raptors, for example, you guys one next to the value of your attack bonus. Other Raptors adjacent to the defender. So
Did a bunch of people move, or did y'all split up into groups? Or?
you get plus 3 to the value.
Okay. Nice.
So you're going to surround and destroy. You see Sally's little twin dude? Yeah, that's it.
We'll go 1, 2. Let's see, what can I do to try to...
It's massive. Yeah, you're actually passing the T-Rex. Oh, what have you done? You've ruined me. Yeah, the T-Rex actually covers 2 spaces and can threaten
3.
That's why you were so lucky to go second.
Nice. All right, last but not least, let's go Femme Fatale. Place 1 astronaut in a dock ship and 1 zone. And in 1 zone or ship where you have at least 1 astronaut, replace one opponent's astronaut with one of your astronauts. All right, so place 1 astronaut in a dock ship. Let's go here.
Launch it.
Launch this one. Mayor Tire Mayor Tire
last thing, I'm so sorry. Whenever you move,
All right. And in 1 zone or ship where you have at least 1 astronaut, replace 1 opponent's astronaut with one of your astronauts.
and that lets you move X amount. So I can boost to move 3 spaces with that card. Some cards let you do things like boost to 3 as far as placing your characters, oh, that's your health dial. So you're starting out, say you're 7, up to minus 17, you can move around with like arrow.
So that could be, that one's in there, right?
What?
That's in there, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Shuffle these up, draw 5.
You could take over either one of these zones, I think, by replacing either one of the orange pieces for your green or one of the blue pieces for your green.
Trying to see if I want to do second place over here. Now, then we'll tie for second place, so that's stupid.
Now place any of your rafters, sighting.
Yeah, let's go second place
Are there
either way.
resources for second place?
Yeah, because there's going to be 2 productions, so
Okay.
if you're tied.
Alright, next youngest player, probably you, right? Alright, you get placed in space 2, which is over here. And same thing, you get to deploy
He's at it.
soldiers.
Well, he was seduced to the
Seduced.
green team.
Nice. All right, last before production, so we're going to round 8.
I have my character picks.
Me 3. All right, starting with Big 9.
That's me. I'm the recruiter. I'm gonna put somebody in this ship going to Phobos. Pick up my cards.
All right, number 8. That'll be me. All right, Explorer. Place 1 astronaut in a dock ship and make up to 3 moves on Mars with your astronauts.
You can move your sidekicks actually. So, what is his name? Yeah, so whenever you move him,
All right.
you can also move So it's not like they share movement, you all have the same movement. Which is what makes it because he gets like 1,000. Alright guys, that's really about it.
Just out of curiosity, what happens if there's a 3-way tie?
I'll bet you it collects for everybody.
So it's only first and second place is a tie, 3-way tie.
Nobody gets anything?
The excess pieces remain on the board, but you even split the resources. So on the 3rd round, a 3-way tie would give everybody 1.
Okay.
Yeah.
There is one thing. All of us up here, right? All right. So what that means, I can't remember if that's
One move.
Jason out of each other. We also attack. So I can't hit the Raptors even though we're in the same
Second move.
Oh, I can make 3 though.
Are you making a third move?
That could be a tie. Or
It doesn't look like there's necessarily a second place. It's either you have the majority or you tie for the
yeah. Majority or tie, yeah. Right, that's a tie. That's a tie. This is a win.
You've got a majority here.
Yep. All right, so I guess I'll just probably just okay. I got third move, so
You don't have to use it.
yeah, I'll just probably chill out. Oh no.
Yeah, up 2 3 moves.
Yeah, so I'll just chill out. Yeah.
Alright, and then on the last one, so soldier. Place an astronaut in a dark ship. Well, might as well get in on this Phobos stuff over here. And kill 1 astronaut on Phobos or at outer zone. Might as well nix Barrett from getting that 1 point in Phobos. And move up to 3 of your astronauts from Phobos to any other zone on Mars. I don't have anybody in Phobos, so that's negated.
All right, so now we go to resource whatever
So you
collection.
get 2 of
Two of each. All right, so let's start from the top. Sonia, get 2 ice. Okay, Hellas, they get 2 of the big boys.
That's just gonna win it, bro.
Yeah, that's a lot of points. All right.
Alright.
All right, then we go
Here.
Sinus,
You both get
1 ice.
Yep.
1 ice each. Tie.
Good doing business.
All right, then we got Major,
You luck out on that one. You get 2 of those.
2 Borealis, 2 ice each. I mean, 1 ice each.
Alright.
All right,
Here it looks like a tie, so y'all would get
tie, 1 each.
Good doing business.
Oh yeah, all the time.
Barrett wins here.
Okay, orange,
You get 2 of
I
those.
get both, right?
2 of them. Yep. Nice.
You win that one for ice.
2 ice.
And then me and Barrett tie, so we both
For the
get.
big bucks.
Alright.
Big bucks.
Oh, that Hellas is gonna win it for her. I don't know what to do about it. We'll
Got my
see.
Hellas.
All right, so now we're going to round 9 of only 10 though. So yeah.
Yep. Well,
Second to last round. I wonder what y'all are playing.
All right. Yeah, pretty
I
much.
wonder what card y'all are playing. Huh? Okay.
let's see. Who was last on the last round? Was it still you on the last one?
I think it was you, but
Oh, okay. Well, then, that just means that my 9 will trigger before yours.
true. Well, no. My 9 triggers before yours, cause
Well,
well,
if I'm the starting person, then does the starting person go
yeah.
first?
No, what to talk about.
Come on, Bear. Take a time, Bear.
I made up my mind.
All right. 9.
9.
Alright, place an astronaut in a dark ship. Boom. We're gonna go over to Phobos. And then we collect all of our cards.
All right, place 1 astronaut in the dock ship. Return all character cards to your hand. Right.
Okay, and I picked the travel agent specifically because I had my eye on Hellas. And I'm so glad you didn't put your dude there. Alright. Time to fight over the big money.
All right.
Alright, well, that's that round. Garrett, you went last, so.
Yep. And this is the last round before Discovery and other weird stuff.
Okay.
Everybody could play anything, except I can't play travel agent. So
So they only have 1 health? Well, my bad. I can't end my turn there.
alright, I picked my final character.
And I don't know this character to grab my life.
And to add suspense, and since there's a lot of thinking, I'm gonna take a quick vape while y'all pick your final characters.
That'll be quick.
Who goes first?
See what happens.
Yeah, you can move 3 and you draw a card before you move. Yeah, draw a card. No, you know, I think there is a hand match, but I think it's like 10. I believe it's 10. What is ridiculous? Oh, if you run out of cards in your deck, when you start taking damage, one damage for every card. Oh, 7. So I'm just like, I'm 7. No, yours is it's accurate. It is. Sorry, it's been a moment since I last played. So you drew cards, you have 3 spaces.
Patience.
Oh yeah, we're still making sure.
I doubt anybody picked 9. 8.
Oh, we're still making sure. Last move.
Okay, I'm impatient. My bad.
Yep. Yep. Calm yourself a bit.
This is very mindfucking. I
No,
don't
yeah.
blame y'all.
Yeah, all the animal have like equally represented.
Every player's decision is dependent on every other player's. It's very interesting.
Oh yeah.
I'm just gonna believe it like it is and hope.
Or rather dependent on predicted movements of others.
What do you want your second? So I can move again. There's not really adjacent.
All right, screw it. All right, keep it going. Keep it how it is.
Okay. 9. 8. Oh,
Clockwise.
Interesting. Yes, clockwise. You have the advantage then. But Tiff, go ahead.
Alright.
So you decide I maneuver.
But get a dude in the ship first.
Might as well just.
Much less important effect of that.
Yeah. I think I'm gonna go. I'm not gonna win that. So 1, 2, 3.
Okay.
All
Alright.
right. One astronaut. Borealis.
Okay.
3 moves.
Not really compared to me. Right, and then you drew another card, right? And that will be the end of your turn here. You're up. Boy, howdy.
Well, not sure about that one. Ice, stupid ice. It's crazy. Probably got to do it. 1. 2, 3.
Alright, 3 moves. Alrighty. Well, Barry, you're the one with the last number, so you might as well just tell us what you got.
I'm the femme fatale.
Femme
Yes,
fatale.
I felt like you might be.
And I'm trying to figure out whether I want to launch that over there at all. Probably not.
So where would it go? Borealis?
Alright, so
A friendly advantage.
Yeah. Well,
See, remember you're going,
Y'all would be tied for next.
but who's got all the point tokens though?
that's true.
Yeah. So you gotta kill over there. So you gotta kill over
If you
there.
decided to launch it, that's what would happen there.
No,
Yeah.
I'd just be handing you points though. I would be taking points away from myself actually too. So I am not going to watch that. This poor astronaut is.
It would be tied either way.
We would?
Yeah, because this would be a second orange line. No, never mind. Never mind. I don't know what I was thinking.
You'd have majority.
I was thinking 2 and 2, but it's 3 and 2. Ignore me.
Gotcha. So that astronaut's going there, and then definitely seducing the dude on Hellas.
Yeah. That might be what those mean.
And I believe we move to Discovery. So,
All right. At the end of the reveal discovery phase, okay, the first player flips all discovery cards in play face up. Each effect resolves during the phase indicated by the icon in the lower right corner of the card.
Anybody have any discovery?
I have a discovery.
Okay.
What's that?
It says even ground. Treat each player who has an even number of astronauts in this zone as having 0 astronauts in this zone. So do I put this anywhere, or how does that work?
Discovery cards.
Yeah, maybe we did mess up a little bit with the discovery cards.
What does it mean by
Okay, the first player flips all discovery cards in play face up. Each discovery card resolves during the phase indicated on the icon in the lower right corner of the card. So what round? Okay, so this does during the third production phase. So we're not.
Quite there.
Okay, yeah, I guess not.
How do we
Okay.
know what zone it
Like, do I pick the zone, or was it supposed to have already had a predestined zone?
Production phase. There are 3 production phases. The first player flips all discovery cards in play. Yeah, it doesn't go into a lot of detail about the discovery
I
cards.
might have goofed it, because here it says
I'm a little confused how they got you playing.
event cards. Discoveries are assigned face down to any outer zone card. At the end of the game, discovery cards provide either a positive or negative effect. So I think when we got the discovery card, we were supposed to like
Immediately put them
decide
somewhere.
where to go.
Oh, okay.
At least that's my understanding.
So, like, you think there's a good place? I mean, when did you get it? Do you remember?
It was whenever I had played the scientist,
Yeah.
but
When did you play the scientist?
like 3 or 4 rounds ago.
At some point, she played a scientist and got one of these.
Or where did you have a big advantage at, and you think you would have had an even?
I mean, at the time, the place that I probably would have been trying to protect is Hellas, just because at the time
Yeah,
that was
yeah,
probably
yeah.
the only
Let's
zone
say you
that
put it on Hellas and see what happens.
Okay.
But it's not even though. But you just made it uneven though.
But he has an even number. So I would treat his as if he had 0 people there.
Brilliant. And I believe you. I believe you would have put it on Hellas. That would make sense at the time, too. So,
Okay, and that's the only discovery card, right?
Okay, so we move on to the collection.
kind of not really.
Do you have a discovery card?
No, I have a surprise.
Oh,
I think we don't do that one.
After making discoveries.
Oh yeah.
event actions. Okay.
Yep.
Okay, so what's that saying?
It says, surprise move. You may make up to 2 moves on Mars with your astronauts.
What's
So,
Okay.
Here, oh, put it over. My bad.
I have my opinion, but I'm gonna let you figure out what you think is best.
well,
Let's see if you agree, or
It's
if
weird.
the game would get to be like, well, you should have done.
it's weird. It's for sure weird.
let's say what's your favorite cartoon?
SpongeBob.
Well, I mean Cartoon Network
Oh,
cartoon.
Cartoon Network. Oh.
I mean, I'm wearing the Powerpuff, so you know.
Of what? Pretty much Powerpuff. Huh?
Powerpuff's are cool.
Oh yeah.
Okay, I found the move.
You found the move?
Yep, I'm going 1, 2. Now there's an odd number there.
Okay. That's actually better than what I had in mind.
I guess I gotta go Dexter, of course, but
I know, Courage the Cowardly Dog is pretty cool too.
yeah.
All right.
A little bit
now-
after my time.
Discoveries, things.
Any more discoveries or actions?
No.
Okay, we are moving on to the final collection round.
All right.
So,
All right. Well, I guess we'll start up here. I guess Barrett gets all 3 of those.
hella.
Hello, hello.
Hella, hella.
Boo. All right. Barrett gets the 1 ice.
Did you get the Isonia already?
Nope.
Nope. And then I'll get
3.
No, wait, no, he gets 3 ice pieces, so 2 more. I gave him 1, he gets 2 more.
Yay.
Okay, then I get 3 ice pieces for here. Moving on here, y'all are tied. So how does?
One just stays on there.
And y'all both just get 1.
Mm-hmm.
1 piece.
Yeah, my point sucked.
Me and you are tied for this one. You got 3, I got 3.
So 1 each.
All right. This also looks like a tie, but between you two.
You get 1, I get 1.
Looks like Barrett has dominated this one.
3.
Yay.
Looks like I get this one with my 2 blues.
Oh, that is crazy.
Oh no. Yeah.
Yeah, if I focus way too much on in-game scoring, that was stupid.
And then looks like you get the 3 ice.
Stupid ice.
And then over here in Phobos, I get 3 ice.
All right. I believe we move to scoring.
And then see what our missions were and see if our missions help us out.
True. Also, somebody has an ice monopoly, right? Does somebody who has?
Oh, I might have the ice monopoly. Maybe. Probably not.
7.
9. I got 9.
God dang it. All right. All I have is 8. Crap.
I got about 1.
9 points. Are you serious?
Wow.
Forgot about that.
All right. Now, when it says point token set, does it mean I have to have like 1 of each?
For each of your point token sets, gain 2. Yes, it specifically says actually.
It kind of sucks that I only have 2 of the 2s. But that's okay. So I'll gain an extra 4 points from this.
Mine is for each astronaut in the zone of your choice, gain a point. So I kind of forgot I was trying to get a whole bunch of astronauts in one zone, but I
That looks
suppose
like your best one there. It's got.
5.
Yep.
So my mission's worth 5 points.
Okay.
All right. I got if I have the most number of astronauts in both red zones, these 2 middle ones, then I get 6 points, which I do.
Well, these are tied, so.
Well, combined. So if you have the highest number of astronauts in both red zones combined, gain 6 points. So
Which you do, yeah.
combined, I got the most. So that's 6 points. And then if I have at least 1 astronaut on the east side, west side, never eat soggy waffles, west side. That one starting. That one. That one. Right. Yeah, that one. That one.
Is this one of those?
It might be one of them. The way the freaking thing is. God dang it.
Yeah, it looks like this one, and this one.
Man, I moved my thing to the wrong stuff. All right.
So you're missing 1 here.
Yeah, that's so stupid. All right, so it's just 4 points. It sucks. All right.
You
Yeah, I
just
looked at it
missed one
wrong.
here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Missing 1 here. He's got a
Oh,
green
yeah.
here, and here, but not one in
Oh,
this
yeah,
zone.
yeah.
Yeah.
Oops.
Yeah, don't like the way that board looks, but whatever. All right, so 4.
Could have showed that better, or just freaking listed the zone names.
Yeah. That would have been way better.
Oh, well.
All right, so 4 points instead of 7. I'm sure it hardly matters, but all right. So you can just go hard on ice and do well. That's what I had to remind.
I saw that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right,
Just
so
almost 9 extra points. Okay.
all right, so 10 more points on top of this.
All right, I'm counting up. Make stacks of 10 here.
10, 20, 25, 28. There's 42, the meaning of life. Final score. Nice.
All right, you got me.
Smoked me. Nice.
Cool.
42, 47. Yeah, I mean, Hellas, just focus on the board, really.
The ice thing is what did it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right.
GG, y'all.
GG's. GG's.
Cool.
Hey, like if you got to give it a 1 to 10, what do y'all give it?
7.5.
7.5.
Yeah.
7 seems too low, 8 seems too high, 7.5.
I'd say 8.
Yeah, I'll go with a nice
More
8.
for these kinds of games than she is, I think, just slightly.
Yeah.
I'd say 8.
Yeah, I got not too many complaints.
I don't feel like playing again tonight, but it is definitely going to be one of those that's way more fun the second time around.
Oh yeah.
What are your ideas?
Where
What's
you're,
going on?
because you know, even if you have one person who really understands the game and one person who doesn't, it's not going to be as fun unless everybody understands, because you're making competitive choices based on what you think they think their best option is, I guess.
True. Yeah, I'll go with a nice 7.5 to 8 too.
Out there, yeah.
It's easy.